Hello, and here I go with some more road trip ready projects. So my friend Bob, I have a friend Bob. Hi Bob. Bob watched my van tour video on Butterfly Tracks channel, and he watched me show my refrigeration system, and he had a suggestion. He's a heat and cooling guy, so he's got like the furnace insulation experience, knowledge. So he said, I have something for you that I think that you're gonna really benefit from. So he brought me this the other day. It's this great big huge piece of thick bubble wrap that's covered in foil. It was left over from insulating some water heater or a furnace or something. And he said that what I should do is in my refrigerator cooler area, I should, instead of the wool blanket on the bottom that I have, I should just put a piece of this. He thinks that this will be better insulating than a wool blanket. So I'm going to get to that. And then also use this for a piece to put over my food as well. So I am going to get to that project. But he also suggested that I wrap my, make a little cover for my fridge so that it will run even more efficiently. And I think that's a great idea. So the two things I need to consider is I need it to come off and on easy, and I need to not cover any of these vents. So there's vents here, there's vents here, there's vents here. So I'm going to make a piece like this, a piece that covers this whole thing, and then a piece to this side of the front. And then I'm going to make a piece for the floor for it to sit on. It won't be attached, but it will just sit on it. And then I can just slide it on and off when I need access to it to get my ice packs. So I'm going to attach it all into this system with this Reflectix tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this big Sharpie, and I'm going to, first I'm going to even out this sides a little bit. They're a little yucky. This, and I'm going to mark right here for how long I want it to be. I want it to come out right to those vents. And then like this. Perfect. So I'll need two of those. I need two of those. So it's this one and this one. Okay. I have this space heater on because it's freezing. It's freezing here in Massachusetts. Sheesh. All right, so I want that height, that same height. Oh, actually, it looks like about the same size. So, how cool is that? So let me just. basically, it will go like this. So now I'm gonna tape these together. It's so hard to get this tape started. You gotta just get it just, there we go. Separate the back. Just put this right here. I think I'm going to put a piece on this side too. I just measure. I'm just kind of winging it here. There you go. Gotta be patient, I guess. Gotta be patient with these projects. There we go. So this is cool. All right, so when it's in where it goes, I will have to go like this. I'll pull this off, and then I'll open this up and swap out my ice blocks and just put this right back like that. And now I'm going to make floor for it. Voila. Ta-da! So I'm really happy with the way that the fridge came out, and I believe that I will have a fridge that runs much more efficiently. So now it's time for lunch, and I'm just going to show you what I'm having for lunch, because this beautiful, beautiful lunch is also something I would prepare on the road just as easy. Nah, that's a lie. It's a little bit more work on the road. But it's worth it, and I make the time for it. So what we have here is some basmati rice, some steamed broccoli, and that's Japanese sweet potato. I got some baby rainbow carrots. I have some butternut squash, and I have some haddock. And I am going to eat all of that right now because I am very hungry. Bye for now.